Mark Zitko describes his panel discussion at the CREFC West Coast High Yield Finance Summit.
The four folks that are on the panel are all actively engaged in making loans, and I think it's one of the neat things about this conference. It brings together people who are very active in the business. So we're going to talk about real transactions that each of the four of us have done very recently, so that the audience can get a real flavor for if they had a situation or if they wanted to buy a property that was in need of money for not just the purchase but for renovation or for retenanting, what could they expect in sort of real terms, and compare their deal to real deals that lenders have done very recently. So I think it's that activity, that presence in the market that this organization, CREFC organization, and this conference brings together.
Let's talk a little bit about one of the deals that you're going to talk about without using any names or anything.
To protect the innocent?
Yes. Well, you're not innocent, so we're actually looking to protect you.
Okay. So, protect the guilty.
Yes.
So I'm going to talk about a 400,000 square foot office building that we financed here in Orange County. It was well occupied, but the major tenant had credit difficulty, and actually during the period where we were undertaking the underwriting and the due diligence of the loan, the largest tenant, who had half the space in the building, filed for bankruptcy. So for many lenders, that would throw the deal right out of the boat.
Not necessarily. That could be a good thing.
Could be a good thing, but it puts a lot of potential risk into the deal, and it's going to take some time to backfill that space, and it's going to take some capitalization to pay commissions and to pay to refit the space to bring new tenants into the buildings.
Did that tenant, did they abandon the lease? Or rejected and abandoned the property?
They did reject the lease. After all of this happened, after they declared bankruptcy before we closed the loan, we proceeded to go ahead and make the investment with the sponsor as we had agreed to do. Afterwards, they did reject the lease. They were going out of business. They were not going to reorganize, and we proceeded to structure the loan up front to handle that possibility. Whether they declared bankruptcy or not, we knew that they were shaky, so we had already anticipated this prospect, structured accordingly for it, and we were prepared to handle that type of risk in the loan. We felt comfortable because it was great real estate in a great location, and we had an experienced sponsorship team that had a lot of capital invested in the deal. So we knew they were going to stick with it through this period. And that's sort of the foundation of the way we thought about it. Is this a deal that, despite this bump in the road, is going to be a good deal down the road?